In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on Reader Mode in Mozilla Firefox. Reader Mode removes ads, sidebars, and distractions, making articles easier to read. Let's begin. Now open Mozilla Firefox and go to the website that you wanted to read. For example, I am going to visit New York Times, and all I have to do is super simple. Locate the reader mode icon on the address bar right here. As you can see, the shortcut is pressing F9 so that you can toggle reader view. Now, you can customize your reading experience because in the left side of the screen, you will see the reader mode settings where you can, of course, change the font style if you want. You can increase it if you wanted. Let's say I wanted to read it at monospace. You can choose a font weight, regular, light, bold. It's up to you. It's all a matter of preferences. Okay? Now, once you are happy with that, you also have the option to switch between a dark theme, a contrast, a light, sepia, gray, and of course, you also have the option to, if you want to close the reader view, it's up to you. So you can have a clean, distraction-free reading view. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to turn on the reader mode here in Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.